Martin Alvarez here, Field Supervisor for Master Rooter. I'm going to give you a quick synopsis of the Fellowship Building Project. It is a 17-story tower in downtown Phoenix, servicing about 200 residents. We were able to come into the Fellowship Towers with our lining technology, no-dig technology. We were able to line and rehabilitate 17 stories worth of vent pipe and 17 stories worth of sewer line right down to about the city with no dig. So it's no dig technology, very minimal cutting of drywall. This is the way to go for big commercial properties. Minimal digging, minimal drywall repair. Ready? 1, 2, 3. We have rehabilitated some sewer pipes, some vent pipes. So we're gonna kind of give you a run through of what we've done and the walkthrough that we're gonna do to make sure that everything is up to spec, everything is to completion. So what I want to do is I want to check these Nova bands here, because this is where the majority of the work took place. A lot of the liners were shot through these cleanouts here on the 15th floor. As we go, we're gonna check all the Nova bands. We're gonna check the clean out covers. We want to make sure that we have no leaks, make sure everything's clean, just minor cleanup, simple stuff. This is a drain line that we rehabilitated, the structural liner, and next to it we got a vent line that was also rehabilitated with a liner, all structural, all done in-house by Master Rooter. When it comes to sewer lining, it's easy as ABC. Call Master Rooter, home of the free second opinion.